Hey yo, DIYs! I'm finishing off the white now of the silicone. Tomorrow I start a new bathroom, so I'll be showing you how it gets stripped out. See with this? Just do it. You know, the Nike ad. Just do it. Don't be scared, DIYs. Doesn't matter if you get silicone everywhere. Doesn't matter. Soapy water just fixes it straight away. Just pump it in. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll be showing you how I strip out a bathroom. If you are thinking of stripping out your bathroom, well, this will show you how you go about it. That comes out in my next video after this one. See this? Just spray it with soapy water. Don't do a huge amount that that you're doing too much, you know. Don't do too much. Do what you're comfortable with. I know how much I can do. Before it starts to dry. So the key is, don't do too much, people. Just stop with your soap bottle, 50 ml before the end of your silicone, and you're laughing. Give it a nice internal corner there. The vanity covers all that. The plumber was not my plumber. I would have told him off. He would have got a piece of my mind if my plumber did that. I would have checked that pipe in. I call that, doing that sort of thing, I call that laziness. But I come across it, it's not the first time I've come across it. Pipes have been on top of my screed and God knows what, and then the vanity goes over it and hides it all, but it's not the point. It is pretty simple to check your pipes in to the floor. It's just sort of, it's called caring about your job. Out comes the hand tool. Oh, nice. It'll just run up there. Give it a bit of a... Beautiful. Right. So stay tuned, people, because tomorrow I'll be showing you how to strip out a bathroom and the procedure we go through. This bathroom that I'm going to be doing, the shower is actually going to be in the middle of the bathroom, with the bath one side and the vanity the other side. That's what the owner wants, so that's what I'll do for him. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Bye.